What's going on, guys? It's Monday morning and we're back at work. As you can see, I'm all bundled up. Last week it was like 90. This week it's 30. Mother Nature is drunk here in Wisconsin. She has no idea what's going on. This is craziness. I was hoping to get some mulching done today, but it looks like it's gonna be an inside work day. Luckily, we have a greenhouse full of plants that need to be transplanted. So the guys are just about to show up. I'm taking out the trash. And we'll get started down in the greenhouse. Hopefully, we can get all that done today and keep those guys busy for the full day. We'll see.
Disarm. Ready to arm.
Morning. Back to winter.
Yeah. Stupid.
We're gonna work down in the greenhouse. There's a bunch of transplanting that we gotta do.
Okay.
It's supposed to be 45 today and 50 tomorrow. We'll see. I don't think so. Maybe a scoop shovel to move the dirt around. I think everything else we need is down there. Morning. Much soil's on that table. We might have to go uncover the soil quick. Yeah, let's go get a scoop or two. You gotta pull the tarp off for me. That'll start. That'll be a good start.
He sent me a snap when the guy
Right through the frickin' table.
right through the table and
This table's off limits. Yeah, whatever, it doesn't matter. We'll get it all done today. It's not that much. Probably be done by frickin' 10 o'clock. There's tags there, table arrangement. Al's never done this before. Here, Al, I'm gonna give you
A rundown?
yeah, we'll do these ones.
I think there's probably gonna have to name this plant Powwow White.
All right,
That's not
here's how I do it, Al, and here's how it should be done.
So I see how all three of you do it, and then take the next one, and put them together.
So usually I'll take like
shit.
a few pots like this, put a little bit of soil in the bottom of each one. Sometimes I'll look and see like how much soil I need. You want, here I'll show you what the finished product wants to look like. So you want the soil to be down about that far.
Okay.
So typically I'll eye up about how much soil I need in the pot, you know what I mean? And fill a bunch of pots to that depth. And then just go boom, 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 boom. Then just take you grab a cart.
Are you putting the tags in there?
Yep. There should be tags in that box.
I saw Jake yesterday in the grocery store.
So then basically just keep my cart right behind me.
Alright.
When you grab a new tray, here's the name, Cheyenne Spirit. You just find the tag for it. What do you got, Powwow, Kyle? You got your tags already? Here's yours. I'll show you how the tags go. Here you go. Put them all uniformly right in the front like that. And then
No, favorite.
I'll find a scoop for this, but then you just put a little bit of Osmocote in each one. And then once you fill up your tray, you come and look at you got Cheyenne Spirit, so it goes on table 5 and there's 38 of them. So table 5, and this is like the front of table 5, the middle of table 5, the inside of table 5.
Okay.
So this would be the
Outside.
yeah, like the row side,
Okay.
and then this would be the back of the table, like on the inside. So table 5, this is table 1 right here through 12, and then it's 13 through 24 coming back this way.
Okay.
So everything's going to be on these two. So in your case, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would start here and just work it this way.
Okay.
And then the next one is whatever that second row was. Last week potting the Barrett stuff,
Yeah.
they had like maybe 15 boxes. They did 18 plants in an hour between the two of them. I just did 4 plants in about 2 minutes.
What the frig were they doing?
I don't know.
They were gossiping.
I have no clue.
Yeah, you better tell Callie to bump up the
I'm like, Tally, did you show them how to?
rookie numbers.
For the Wolves game.
I am putting the over-under on you being done at 10 o'clock.
Flag words. What's the reward?
That's three. That's three.
What's the reward?
That's basically one of these every 20 minutes.
That's ridiculous. Oh, like a whole tray?
Yeah,
Yeah.
a tray.
Some go faster than others.
Dude, some jabroni, I went and got a couch from this weekend. Yeah. I messaged him. He didn't message me back for 2 days. Lowered the price. Halved it. And then just messaged me back. I was like, alright. Like a moron? I was gonna pay $200. Got a couch for $100.
Is it nice?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a big sectional because I got new furniture and he needed it out of his house.
Where is he living?
In Hudson.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's like,
We just got a package in the mail from Dirty Graphics. We're gonna wrap our new Kubota SVL 75. I'm gonna take you through the process. I just got it back from outside. We washed it up and we're gonna try to get it as clean as we possibly can. I got the inside scoop from Ty, the owner over at Dirty Graphics. He told me that Goo Gone and alcohol is the best thing to do to remove the old graphics and get the excavator as clean as possible before we start installing the new wrap. So that's what we're in the process of doing. I'm gonna get started taking off. I already took off decals on the other side of the skid, and I'm gonna start taking the decals off over on this side. Alright, we got our box from Dirty Graphics where I'm gonna unbox this thing and take a look at what they sent. Got the machine all nice and shiny. Just gotta wipe it down with rubbing alcohol now. And then I think we'll be ready to get started putting on our first set of decals. Let's open this thing up and see what's in here. What does this say? Some trimming may be required. All right, before installing, roll out your new vinyl wrap and let it sit for at least 1 hour. Well, that's something we gotta do, so. Alright guys, I got most of the first side done. I'm really impressed with how well this stuff works, how easy it is to install. Some of the bigger pieces are a little bit of a challenge, but if you take your time and get everything lined up right, it ends up working pretty darn good. Very little trimming to do, and as long as you have a heat gun and a sharp blade, it makes pretty quick work of things. This is this process, the biggest part of it was just getting everything clean, and now it's just kind of working the way around the machine and figuring out what decal goes where and putting them on. Dirty Graphics, you guys got to check them out. Look good getting dirty. Frickin' sweet. It's gonna look badass once it's all done. Can't wait. that's it for this one, you guys. Thanks for watching. I would really appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. It really helps us out big time. And stay tuned for the next one. We got a fun short little video. My family helps me out with a paver installation here at the shop. So stay tuned for that. That's a fun one. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody. Peace out.